Today, name of lesson is structure of atom, and my subtopic is valency. What is valency? The electron present in the outermost shell of an atom is known as valency. Valency electron. See here in outermost shell. Either valency of carbon is 4, valency of oxygen is 8, and valency of sulfur is 2, valency of chlorine is 1, and argon is inert gas, so its valency is 0. From the Bohr and Bury scheme, we also know that the outermost shell of an atom can accommodate a maximum of 8 electrons. In other words, their combining capacity or valency is 0. In outermost shell, in any element, have maximum capacity 8 electrons. In other words, their combining capacity or valency is 0 of this inert element. If in the last cell 8 electrons in there, that means that element cannot react with other element, and you can say that is an inert element also. The helium atom has 2 electrons in its outermost shells. That is why it is known as an inert element and kept in 0 group. The elements having 8 electrons in their outermost, their orbit is complete, that they are kept in 0 group and they cannot react with any other gases. In periodic table, it is kept in 0 group. If the number of electrons in outermost shell of an atom is close to its full capacity, shell of an atom is close to its full capacity, then the valency determined in the different way. If this element, chlorine, has 7 electrons, it is very close to the octet. Example, an atom close to the full capacity, then the valency determined into a different way. For example, fluorine atom has 7 electrons in an outermost shell. फ्लोरीन के 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन है outermost orbit में, so 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. The valency of fluorine should be 1. See, atomic number of fluorine is 9, and in the L cell it has 7 electrons. It can gain 1 electron from the other to complete his orbit or octet, so its valency is 1. And its valency could be 7, but it is easier for fluorine to gain 1 electron instead of losing 7 electrons. It is very easy to gain 1 electron. इसको 1 electron gain करने में बहुत आसान है in comparison to losing the 7 electron. So gaining 1 electron is known as valency. Hence, its valency is determined by subtracting 7 electrons from our octet. 7 electrons को octet means 8 से minus कर देंगे तो 1 आएगा and gives you a valency of fluorine, that is 1. Valency, here I am writing the valency of some important element. For example, carbon 6, atomic number 6. In first cell it is a 2 electron, in second cell 6 electron. Its valency should be 4. Oxygen, first cell 2, second cell 6, and its valency should be 2. Sulfur, in first electron 2, in L electron 8, and in third electron 6, so its valency should be 2. Chlorine, in first electron 2, in second cell 8, and third cell 7, so its valency is 1. Argon is inert gas, In first cell it is a 2, in L cell 8, in third cell 8, so it is a complete, so its valency is 0, and this gas and element cannot react with any other. I am sending the detail of 1 to 18 elements and their valency. You see, understand and write in your copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.